Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Elementor's template library, specifically blocks, templates, and pages to speed up your WordPress website design. This feature gives you access to pre-designed sections that you can simply drop into your pages, saving you hours of design work. Let's start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the Pages section on the left sidebar, click on All Pages to see your full list of existing pages. From here, locate the specific page you want to edit and click Edit with Elementor. This will launch the Elementor page builder interface where all the magic happens. Now that you're inside the Elementor editor, look at your canvas. You'll notice a gray folder icon somewhere on the screen. Click on that folder icon and a submenu will appear showing you three main options: blocks, pages, and templates. These are the three types of pre-designed content you can insert into your website, each serving a different purpose depending on what you're building. For this tutorial, we'll focus on blocks. In the template library panel that just opened, click on the Blocks tab. Blocks are essentially pre-designed sections like headers, feature lists, testimonials, or call to action areas that you can mix and match to build out your page quickly. They're perfect when you want to add just one part of a page without starting from scratch. Once you're in the Blocks tab, scroll down through the available options. You'll see a variety of styles and layouts. Keep in mind that some blocks are free, while others require an Elementor Pro upgrade. If you haven't upgraded yet, look for the ones labeled free to make sure you can use them without any restrictions. Take your time browsing through the options until you find a block that fits the design and functionality you're looking for. When you've found the perfect block, simply click on it to preview it more closely. If you're happy with it, click the Insert button. The block will be added directly to your page at the position where your cursor was placed. From there, you can customize the text, images, colors, and any other elements to match your branding and content needs. And there you have it. You've successfully used Elementor's template library to insert a pre-designed block into your page, making your design process faster and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.